Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Chrome DevTools with F12 or Control plus Shift plus I. That gets you straight to the debugging workspace. Once in, click Sources because that panel hosts your files, call stack, and breakpoints. Make sure to pretty print minified scripts, and if you edit locally, configure workspace mapping so changes persist. Now set an initial breakpoint on the line you suspect. This first action pauses execution, so you can inspect scope and variables without hunting through logs. Once paused at a breakpoint, you control flow with step over, step into, and step out to observe how values change and which functions run. You should inspect scope panels for local, closure, and global variables, and add watch expressions for values you care about. If a loop or frequent event floods your session, convert a breakpoint into a conditional breakpoint or add a log point so you record info without stopping every iteration. This targeted approach saves time and reveals root causes. To finish, correlate your code flow with network activity in the network panel so you know whether async calls or payloads cause the issue. Reproduce the bug while stepping to the end state, then eval fixes directly in the console to verify behavior before editing source. Once done, save changes to your workspace or copy patches to your editor. If something still behaves oddly, make sure to clear cache, disable extensions, or use incognito to isolate environmental causes. That single step often resolves misleading failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.